Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make white Christmas. This is my recipe number 2. So let's get started. I've got here 3 cups of rice bubbles, 250 grams of Copha, 3/4 cup of icing sugar, 1 cup of full cream milk powder, 1 cup of mixed dried fruits, 1 cup of desiccated coconut and half a cup of dried cranberries. You will also need a baking tray, a piece of baking paper, a spatula, a spoon, and some cooking spray. Take your baking tray, spray it with some cooking spray, line it with the baking paper, spray it with the cooking spray again, and put it aside. Take a big dish, add rice bubbles, desiccated coconut, milk powder, mixed dried fruits, cranberries, and powdered sugar. Mix it well and put it aside. Place a small pot on medium heat, add Copha and heat it until it has melted. Turn the heat off and add it to the dry ingredients and mix it well to combine. Scrape it into the lined baking tray and press it evenly using a spatula. Now use something flat to push it down firmly. Cover it with a plastic wrap and put it in the fridge to set for 1 hour. Take it out of the fridge and cut it into any size or shape you like. My white Christmas is ready and you can make it and save it to family and friends. Leftover white Christmas can be stored in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.